Today we are taking a look at this adjustable TV tray. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it, give you a little bit of an up-close view. So this is what it looks like here. There's 8 different adjustments that you can make to the stand right over here. And how you're going to adjust it is you're going to push these pins in just like that, and then you could bring it down. This sits flat just like this, or it could be rotated as well. And I'll show you that. It's a little easier to see sitting down. So if you wanted to kind of do that, I'm gonna push one in just like that, and then it kind of goes down like that, and then you push the other one in, and then that's going to take that down to the next level. This right here is about 12 by 16 by 31 tall. So you could go anywhere from 22 inches, that's how low it will go, all the way up to 31.5 inches. So what does it look like? A lot of people want to know, how much weight could this actually hold? The company doesn't say specifically how much weight it holds, but it could definitely hold a laptop just like this with no issue whatsoever. And if you also wanted to put a phone over here, plenty of space for that. If you want to use this to eat, this is about a 9-inch plate. So you can kind of see right over here, plenty of space. If I wanted to grab my water bottle right over here, plenty of space for a meal. You can kind of see here, super sturdy. It's not going anywhere, which is really nice. This also tilts. So if you wanted to tilt this back, you could put your laptop here, you tilt it back. You don't have to worry about it because it has a little end over here. So you'll see here, it's like a little tray right over here. So if you look at the laptop, if it goes down like that, it's not going anywhere. So that's kind of a nice feature about this as well. It was easy to put together, not hard at all. I don't know, the listing says it takes about 3 minutes. I would say it took closer to 5 to 8 minutes to get all together. Like we said, we got the 90 tilt here, which is great. And then we also have down over here is you could kind of go all the way like this if you wanted to as well. And then there are adjustable clamps here as well that you could tighten or do whatever you want. So it makes it harder or makes it a little bit sturdier at that as well. For the bottom here, we got grips over here, which you can see right over there. So you don't have to worry about anything like that or them being uneven. You could easily just kind of open that up just a little bit, close it a little bit to make sure it is the right height for you. Like I said, if you're looking for a great TV tray that's easy to adjust, has a tilt like this. This could also be used as an end table as well. If you kind of wanted to put it to the side right over here, you could put it under your couch just like that. You'll see here, I'm about 5'11", so the height for me, I kind of like it at the 31 level. So if you're looking for a TV tray, a side table to either eat on while you're watching TV, if you want to do some work over here, I like the fact that this one angles, so you can kind of get a better angle like this. If you're looking to type or do something like that, you work from home, you don't have to work on your lap. And this is kind of what a tablet looks like on here as well. So if you wanted to watch something on here, that's not a problem either. So if you're looking for a great TV stand that's easy to assemble, aesthetically nice, looks nice, you could go up to 8 different levels on here, all the way up to 31, all the way down to 32. So this would work for kids as well. Just overall, really nice. I was kind of surprised how sturdy it was. So really like this a lot. So if you're looking for a great TV tray, definitely check this one out.